Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Alright guys, so we're here in my wife's 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. And we're in preparation for my son to get here. He can be here any minute. We're going to be installing a car seat today. So for all you new mothers and fathers out there, here we go. We're all going to learn here together. So we're going to be installing this today. I apologize, I haven't put out some good quality repair videos lately. The holidays are coming and getting prepared for my son to be here. So I thought I'd do a little video on this for you expecting mothers and fathers to be able to put a car seat in today. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the one we have here today is going to be a Graco brand. They're not sponsoring this video. We obviously bought this with our own money. But it's a traveling kit, I guess you can call it. It's the traveling system. So what that means is it's a stroller and a car seat combination. So you could just detach it from here, put it in your stroller, and start moving, start going, start traveling. So anyway, it's the Graco traveling system. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys could check it out. So this one's pretty cool because it has a little leveling system on it. And over here on the side, it tells you guys where the level should be for 0 and 3 months. So we want it for 0 months. So we're gonna come back here and it's got this little level thing on it. So we're gonna get the bubble so that's gonna be too high. We want one right there. So we have this hook system here that's going to basically attach our base to the car. So you just want to slide this one in. All right, then we're gonna slide this other one through. And then we're gonna attach it at the bottom of the seat over here. Probably not gonna be able to show you guys, but in here, there's a hook. So all you want to do is stick this in, stick it in. That's what got us into this trouble in the first place, huh? Sticking it in. Can't find the hole. There we go. So it's just gonna hook in like that. Then we're gonna do this other side. So you're gonna just get this and pull it really tight. And it's better if you come back up through the hole.
Roll sound.
Rolling. Sound production, take 2.
Alright guys, so take 2. So you wanna make sure to have this up because your restraint belt that's gonna secure it to the seat goes under it. And then, so just like this, kind of the same way. And then you wanna be careful because you got multiple hooks. You wanna put it under here, under the closest one. And that's what these little things are indicating, is there's a hook there specifically for this. So we got it on there. So now we're gonna come here. We're gonna put the car seat in the middle where it should be. You're gonna hold it. And then you're gonna make sure it's tight. Move this over. Try to tighten it up as much as we can. Okay, so we got that as tight as we can. So now we're gonna go ahead, take our seat belt, come up and over, back down, and then we're gonna latch it, hopefully. There we go. We're gonna latch it in, and then we're gonna take up any slack. Okay, so now that we got the seat belt in and the actual base strapped in, hooked in, just gonna click it in. Make sure it's clicked in, and there you are. That ain't going nowhere. Our little one's gonna be safe. So there's the base. Now let's attach the actual car seat. All right, guys, so now that we got our base installed, we're gonna be installing our actual car seat here. So all you're gonna do, snap it in, and there it is. Check it out, guys. And if you guys want to take it off, there's just a little lever in the back. Pops right off. All right, guys. So there's a quick little video on how to install a car seat. I imagine pretty much all car seats are pretty similar. I'm not talking from experience here because this is my first one. So you guys rode along with the journey with me, because yeah, interesting. I think it would probably be easier to rebuild an engine. I'm just kidding, guys. So there, for all you new mothers and all new fathers, here's a quick little video on how to install your car seat. So if you guys would like to actually for me to do a review video on this travel system by Graco, put it in the comment section below, and I'm more than willing to do a video on that as well as a review. Obviously I can't do a review right now because I haven't used any of it because my son's not here yet, but at least I could do a video maybe seeing what it comes with, and it's pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool, guys. I mean, you can have the your son or daughter in the stroller. They could lay out. They got it. It's a pretty cool little system. It's like a whole little transformer. So if you guys would like to see a video on that, drop it down in the comment section below. If I get somebody that wants to see that video, I'll definitely go ahead and put that out. So there you go, guys. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informational video and DIY projects. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. So, and as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.